All right, give y'all an update. So, we cut the grass here. Got the leaves lined up in the driveway, so we can take them and put them back in the woods. Now I'm about to get this area over here cleaned up. Then there's a back area behind the lawnmower. We're gonna go over there next and start mulching up all them leaves and just keep the process going. This is just the front yard so far. We getting it. All right, y'all, we about to get ready and get started on this property. Clean up all these leaves coming out of the 2023 fall season and 2024 winter. And we're about to get all this stuff cleaned up. This is the front yard. And then after that, we'll come back and show y'all the backyard. All right, Can't Stop Team. All right. I done finally got the entire front done. And I'll be back. I've been out here for over 5 hours getting all these leaves cleaned up and everything. Getting the grass cut. This area back here, the multi-bottom leaves. So, I done got all this here done today. So I will be back tomorrow to finish up the rest. All right, it's Can't Stop Team. We done for the day over here. All right, so we got the yard cleaned up now. Only thing the customer gotta do is let us come back and do the hedges. For the 2023 fall, coming into the 2024 winter, we got it cleaned up. And I didn't get a chance to start in the backyard. It took me so long to do this property. I was just trying to get done. So I didn't get a chance to show y'all the backyard. But just if you can imagine how the front yard looked, the backyard was just as bad. And I just jumped right into working, so I didn't take my before video. But I'll let y'all see the after. Yeah. So this is the after. All this stuff was just horrible. So it took me some hours to do the front, hours and hours to do the back. Now the customer, like I say, she just got a lot of hedges. We'll talk to her about coming back to trim all these hedges on a separate tank when we come back just for routine maintenance. All right, headed to the next job. That next job might be yours.